What up, guys? I'm back. How y'all doing? I'm back again with another video for you all. Let's get started on this look. I'm gonna start off with the Revlon Color Stay Prep and Prime. It's always good to prime.
That's good.
Because you want your makeup to last. And to be honest, this one's kind of like a sunscreen as well. But always prime because it just makes your makeup stay on longer. Whoops. And it doesn't look as cracked as when you don't prime. Today I'm gonna try something a little bit different. At first, I usually always do my eyeshadow and then I start doing my foundation. But honestly, I want to start doing my foundation today and see how that goes. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match and I'm in the color True Beige. If you have like really super oily skin, this might not be the best choice for you because it is very liquidy, as you guys can see right here. So it tends to as the day goes by, like your face gets super oily. My face is not like really oily, it's a little bit oily, but so like this one works really good with me. Blend it out. It feels very light foundation. I'm gonna be priming with the Photo Focus Concealer Primer on the color Light Medium. Using this super cute palette from Urban Decay that's called After Dark. So I'm gonna start with the Supersonic. Place it right here. As you guys can see. I'm gonna be using the Cute as Fuck Yes Please from ColourPop. I'm gonna be using the orangey kind of red looking color right over here, which name is Louis. My boyfriend's calling. Should I answer? Alright, I will. Hello?
Well, hello, my beautiful girl.
Hi, baby.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm doing a video right now.
Are you?
Yeah.
How's that going? Am I going to be featured in the video as your secret caller?
Maybe you are.
Oh,
You have to
that's
wait.
so awesome.
You have to wait and find out.
Oh, you know how much I love you and I miss you.
From the same palette from the ColourPop, I'm gonna be using this dark brown. Always wanna kind of apply it like this. So you dab it in and then you wanna start blending it. Just makes it easier. The Too Faced Love palette. I'm gonna be adding Cherish to the inner of our eyes. Alright, call you when I'm actually done.
Alright, I love you, baby.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
We're taking Cherish again and we're gonna add it to our brow bone. I'm done doing my eyes. Now with the Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild, I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I like this concealer because it's very, very thick and it does a lot of coverage. I'm contouring with the Kat Von D palette in the shade Light Cream. I'm using Woodland. And it does look a little bit dark, but I'm going to blend it. Sides of our nose. I'm using again my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium. There you go. Just like that. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color Black.
That's good.
I'm gonna be adding the orange color under my eyes. Use your favorite mascara and apply it. I'm gonna be using these lashes right here from LA Colors Dramati Lash, and it's the 9080. While we wait, I'm going to be adding some blush to my face, and I'm gonna use this very rosy, shimmery blush from CoverGirl in the color Rose Silk. And I really like this one because it's very shimmery, and I'm really trying to go for a very shimmery look, so this blush is super cute and perfect for it. Add some highlighter, and I will be using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminate. This. We are almost finished, guys. We just need to add some dazzling thing to our look to make it look super cute. Now, to make this look super unique and super fun, we're gonna be adding some of these little dazzling things. You'll see. Two little ones down here. For my lips, I'll be using the Tom Ford Ruby Brush. use my setting spray from Maybelline to set everything up. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Kisses.